Hey everybody, you're in the kitchen with the Veg King. Today we're going to be making pizza. I'm going to be making it here in my kitchen, showing how to make a pizza in your kitchen, and we're giving you the kit. You'll get some of our homemade pizza dough. You'll get enough vegan cheese or dairy mozzarella, your choice. And we're also going to give you a cup of our good marinara that's house-made, delicious stuff, lots of herbs, super tasty. I love our marinara. I'm going to show you how to make a pizza in your house, and I'm going to show you with no tools at all, and then I'm going to show you with the cool stuff to help you to make it easier. The cool stuff that I would recommend you get you a nice little pizza pan, and then a pizza screen, a little rolling pin. Of course, a pizza cutter always makes it easier. I'm going to show you guys how to do it without any tools. We're going to take our dough. You want to take it out, but you want to take it out and let it kind of warm up a little bit to loosen up that gluten a little bit. Then we're going to press it out. Whatever, it's not a problem. So we're going to press it out a little bit. And then you can use a wine bottle, you can use a water bottle, but this is a good way to roll it out. I like rolling out pizza as opposed to throwing it up in the air. That's not really my skill set, but you can get a really good crust. You can see how I'm kind of keeping that with the pan, with the bottle here, I'm kind of keeping a little bit of more of a dough around the edge, a little bit thicker around the edge. And this actually works pretty good, this little water bottle here. Might be switching over to this at Green on Monday nights when we make our pizza there. I like ours to be kind of a New York style crust, where it's not super cracker thin, but definitely not too thick either. So you want to roll it out to about 1/4 inch or less thickness. And we're going to give you about 12 ounces of dough, really easy. You can make a couple of small personal pizzas if you want, or divide it down the middle, or whatever you want. Add anything you want, but please don't add any meat to it. Let's keep it all vegetarian and vegan, all right? So we've got our pizza like that. Now, what I've done, if you don't have a pizza screen, is you want to, I like to put the pan in the oven so that it gets a little hot beforehand. So I just took a regular, this can be a cookie sheet or whatever kind of pan you have. It's hot, and I want it to get on there so that it gives it a little head start. You want your oven cranking hot, as hot as it'll go. This one's on 500, but the hotter the better, okay? Then what I like to do too is take a little bit of olive oil. You don't have to do this, but I love the crust, you know, so I want to take that olive oil so it gets that all nice around the edge there. I like to take that marinara now. You're going to take the marinara with a ladle or spoon or your hands or whatever. You want to take it and go all the way around your pizza. I like to take it up as close to that edge as you can. You don't want to go over, you get it a little, or it sticks a little bit. But we're going to give you enough that you'll have plenty of sauce, but too much and it'll make it too wet for you. So now we're going to take our vegan mozzarella shreds. Just go all around it here. Like I said, we're going to give you enough to make a good pizza, but you're not going to have a lot extra, all right? So we don't want you to put too much cheese on there. This is where you can get creative. Today I'm just going to show you how to do just your basic cheese pizza, but you can get creative and add whatever veggie toppings you want. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt on our pizza. It all depends on your oven, so you're going to really want to watch this thing. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes, but it's going to take anywhere from 6 to 12 minutes depending on your oven, and then we'll come back and check on it. Turned out great. You can see it all bubbling up and everything. Got a little big bubble right here, but that's a homemade magnificent pie. The dough has so much flavor in it. You guys are really gonna love this. And then you guys can make this at home. It's so easy, right? Enjoy your pizza. Have a great time.